I even cannot say what it is about. It's not just a love story or historical description of something. Several families. This is about everything, about everyday life. This is about war, how war influences the people's life. About peasants, about noble people, about everything. Like how we should live. Can we have? Do we have right to do mistakes? So
What's your message for Pakistani people?
I would like to emphasize that Russia was always a friend for Pakistan. So we never considered Pakistan something like. Um, so we want to make friends with the Pakistani people, and that's why we want to share our culture, to share our ideas, and actually. Showing our culture, we also want to learn more about Pakistani culture. We understand the culture of each other, so it means that we can be good friends, like for always.